Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss about governance. Governance is the first and most important pillar of GRC. But for many beginners, governance sounds confusing and abstract. Some people think governance means management. Some think it is only about policies. But governance is much bigger than that. In this video, we will clearly understand what governance means in GRC, why governance is needed, how governance is different from management, what strategic and operational governance mean. This video will build a strong foundation for all upcoming GRC topics. What is governance in GRC? Governance in GRC is the system by which an organization is directed, controlled, and made accountable. In very simple words, governance defines the direction of the organization, the rules everyone must follow, who is responsible for what, how important decisions are taken. Governance answers three basic questions. What should be done? Who is responsible? How decisions are approved? Governance versus management. One of the most common mistakes beginners make is confusing governance with management. They are related, but they are not the same. Governance focuses on what should be done. Management focuses on how it should be done. Governance sets policies and rules, defines authority and responsibility, makes high-level decisions, focuses on direction and oversight. Management implements policies, executes processes, handles daily operations, focuses on execution. A simple way to understand: governance gives direction. Management follows and executes that direction. Without governance, management has no direction. Without management, governance remains only on paper. Strategic governance focuses on long-term and high-level decisions. These decisions shape the future of the organization. Examples of strategic governance decisions: approving information security policies, defining risk appetite, setting compliance objectives, deciding overall security strategy. Strategic governance is usually handled by board of directors, senior management, executive leadership. These leaders do not handle daily operations. Instead, they define the direction and expectations. Operational governance, day-to-day governance. Operational governance focuses on day-to-day control and enforcement. It ensures that strategic decisions are followed in daily operations. Examples of operational governance: who can approve access? Who can accept risk? Who responds during security incidents? How policies are enforced? Operational governance translates strategy into action, ensures consistency, maintains control. Strategic governance defines the direction. Operational governance ensures the direction is followed correctly. Final summary. Key takeaways. Governance sets direction and accountability, is different from management, works at strategic and operational levels. Forms the foundation of GRC. Understanding governance clearly will make risk and compliance much easier to learn. In the next video, we will learn how governance is applied at different levels, including